Hey everybody, this is my workbench which is near completion. It's fully assembled. The legs are drawboard into the base. This thing is solid. It's probably about 350 to 400 pounds. I did a pretty good job when I laminated the top of not having much flattening to do. There's no twist in the top at all. I would say that maybe in some areas there's a 32nd of an inch of a hollow. And I've done probably 10 or 20 passes with my jack plane, and I use a tooth blade. The other thing I do is I get a wax crayon and I draw my marks all the way over, and that has two benefits. Number one, I can see where I'm removing and where I need to remove, but the other thing is it actually helps the plane glide. So first thing I do is take a nice big chamfer off the back side here. Okay, a nice big one. That's going to stop any spelching off the back. And now I'm just going to do a couple of passes. And this jack plane is pretty heavy set. Just straight across, traversing across. And there really shouldn't be any tear out at all. Blade is sharp. You're not going to get any tear out because the fibers, even where there's a hollow, the fiber is pretty well supported by the one next to it. You might get tear out if you've got a significant amount of gap. When I started, I'll just show you, when I started I had some tear out over here, but that's already disappeared. So I'll just continue. And I like this plane because it's nice and light. And the tooth blade is my preferred blade because it really has little resistance, gets me around fast. One of the benefits of not making a workbench too wide, this is 23 inches wide, 8 feet long. My previous bench was about 28 inches wide. So that's just a lot more material to remove. So thanks for watching. I reckon I got another half an hour in this, and I will follow it up with a 5.5 with a regular blade. Thanks very much.